Hello, my name is Greg from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. This Jaguar F-Pace large SUV is available here in this great looking grey metallic colour. It's an ideal vehicle for a large family, or if you're just looking for that all-wheel drive SUV vehicle to take you everywhere. Key equipment highlights will include privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, as well as a full sliding panoramic roof, but you can also enjoy automatic bi-xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights and these multi-spoke silver alloy wheels to contrast the grey colour. For added convenience, power-operated tailgate will reveal a cavernous load area, and this particular model even accommodates a full-size spare wheel just in case. Passengers in the rear can enjoy loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3, with a centre armrest, full ebony black leather, ISOFIX anchor points and loads of light thanks to that sunroof. A quick glimpse in the front will also unlock a leather-up multifunction steering wheel for the driver, as well as bucket front sport seats with the extra comfort of side lumbar supports and full electric adjustment. Once behind the wheel, there's plenty for you to enjoy. Multifunction buttons operate the color TFT screen, as well as cruise control and speed limiter, and you can also benefit from numerous assist functions such as city emergency braking, as well as lane departure warning and traffic sign recognition. 8-inch infotainment touchscreen also benefits from physical shortcuts on either side. For your entertainment needs, you'll be pleased to know there is AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception with a sound system that can be optimized to individual tastes. Full Bluetooth connectivity is also available to allow you to stay in touch with family and friends, and easy-to-use climate control that can be operated from the screen. Best of all, heated front seats with a 3-stage setting will also keep you warm as the months get colder. Built-in satellite navigation will also ensure you never ever get lost and accommodates 2D and 3D mapping, and other great features are also available such as those on the screen. To help you park, rear view parking camera is fully complemented by front and rear audible and visual parking sensors to avoid those nasty scratches to your bumpers. Moving down the cabin, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system can be operated via the buttons and even benefits from a heated front windscreen ideal for frosty mornings. Driver mode selectors are also available, and the sliding panoramic sunroof also benefits from electric sunshade blind. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For more information about it, or if you would like to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408, or alternatively inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.